The recent change in Bangladesh's government, with the appointment of an interim cabinet under Muhammad Yunus, has sparked renewed discussions about the future of the country's military modernization efforts. At the center of these conversations is the Forces Goal 2030, an ambitious program introduced in 2009 under the leadership of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Initially revised in 2017, this plan was conceived to transform the Bangladeshi armed forces into a modern, versatile, and self-sufficient military force capable of responding to both external and internal security challenges. The original Forces Goal 2030 aimed at enhancing the capabilities of the Army, Navy, and Air Force by upgrading equipment, increasing personnel numbers, and establishing a robust defense industrial base. With the objective of addressing evolving strategic needs, the plan also sought to integrate new technologies and ensure the military's readiness for modern warfare. While significant strides have been made, the current geopolitical landscape and the rise of new security threats underscore the necessity of revisiting and adapting the plan to remain relevant. Several factors have highlighted the urgent need for a revision of the Forces Goal 2030 framework. Bangladesh is currently grappling with rising tensions along its borders, notably with Myanmar. Armed incursions by the Arakan army and frequent border violations by Myanmar pose serious security risks, requiring Bangladesh to enhance its defense and deterrence capabilities. Furthermore, diplomatic relations with neighboring India have deteriorated, marked by escalating hostilities and provocative actions. Adding to these external pressures are internal security challenges, particularly from insurgent groups like the Kuki-Chin National Army, operating in the Chittagong Hill Tracts. These developments demand a multifaceted approach to strengthening the nation's defense infrastructure. Under the original Forces Goal 2030, Bangladesh's military has undergone significant modernization, particularly in terms of equipment acquisition and personnel expansion. The Army has made notable strides by integrating advanced vehicles and artillery systems. For example, the introduction of the BTR-80, a Russian armored personnel carrier, has greatly enhanced mobility and border security. This vehicle, capable of carrying up to 10 soldiers, is equipped with a 14.5mm cannon and a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, making it highly effective for mechanized operations. Additionally, the Army has adopted the Otokar Cobra, a versatile Turkish armored vehicle suitable for reconnaissance and patrol duties. The MBT-2000 main battle tanks from China and the lightweight VT-5 tanks complement these assets, offering improved firepower and mobility in various terrain. Artillery capabilities have also seen an upgrade with the acquisition of Turkish TRG-230 and TRG-300 Kasurga multiple launch rocket systems, along with Serbian Nora B-52 self-propelled howitzers. These systems provide Bangladesh with the ability to deliver long-range firepower, enhancing its capacity to defend against both conventional and unconventional threats. The Bangladesh Navy has also undergone significant modernization as part of Forces Goal 2030. The acquisition of Ming-class submarines from China has bolstered Bangladesh's strategic deterrence, allowing for enhanced undersea surveillance and protection of critical maritime routes. Additionally, the Navy's surface fleet has been strengthened with the addition of Type 053H3 frigates and Type 056 stealth corvettes. These ships are equipped with guided missiles, increasing the Navy's operational capacity for defense and surveillance missions in the Bay of Bengal. The Navy's air capabilities have also been upgraded, with the acquisition of Dornier Tu-28 maritime patrol aircraft and Augusta-Westland helicopters, which help protect Bangladesh's maritime economic zone. Bangladesh's Air Force has reinforced its fleet with advanced training aircraft, such as the Yak-130 and K-8, which serve as both training platforms and light fighters. These aircraft allow for high-quality pilot training and operational readiness. Additionally, the country has acquired the FM-90 short-range air defense systems to protect against aerial threats. The Air Force has also upgraded its radar capabilities with the Selex-RAT-31DL radar, which provides advanced surveillance and detection of potential intrusions in Bangladesh's airspace. Beyond equipment modernization, the Forces Goal 2030 plan has also focused on expanding and reorganizing the personnel structure of the Bangladeshi military. New divisions, such as the 7th, 10th and 17th Infantry Divisions, have been established, and the Land-Based Air Defense Corps has been expanded. Notably, the Para-Commando Battalion has been transformed into a full brigade, significantly enhancing Bangladesh's rapid response capabilities. Alongside these personnel upgrades, the country has worked to develop its own national defense industry. The Bangladesh Machine Tools Factory and Bangladesh Ordnance Factory, for instance, now produce light weapons, utility vehicles, and other essential military equipment through technology transfer agreements, ensuring greater self-sufficiency and reducing reliance on foreign imports. Given the rapidly changing security environment, the interim government of Bangladesh now faces a critical opportunity to reassess and update the force's Goal 2030 plan. The modernization of the military will not only enhance Bangladesh's deterrence capabilities, but also ensure that the country is better prepared to confront both internal and external threats. By continuing to invest in advanced military technology, expanding personnel strength, and fostering technological self-reliance, Bangladesh can position itself as a regional military power while maintaining stability and sovereignty. In conclusion, revisiting the force's Goal 2030 offers Bangladesh a strategic opportunity to better address current security challenges and solidify its defense capabilities for the future. With a renewed focus on modernization, self-reliance, and enhanced deterrence, the country can navigate the evolving geopolitical landscape and safeguard its national interests against an array of conventional and unconventional threats.